Hey guys, this is Dantissimo and I'm going to be showing you guys how to install and enable mods in Sims 4. First thing first, find the mod that you want to download. So I am using the proposal planner as an example. Go down to where it is, press download, and then save it wherever you want to save it. So I'm just going to save it in downloads. Open your Sims 4 folder, which is inside EA, the Sims 4 mods, then get the mod that you just downloaded. You can either copy it, cut it, doesn't matter. I'm gonna cut it and then paste it into your mods folder. As you guys can see, mine is a bit organized, so I'm gonna paste it here, and that's it. Quick note about mods that have the script files. Script files cannot be more than one folder. Packages can be 4 folders deep. So as you guys can see, this is 1, 2 folders deep. Before you got my custom content here, and then you've got this, so that's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. There you go. So packages can be 4 folders deep. Script files can be only 1 folder deep, no more than this folder in your mods folder. So the next step is to load up Sims 4. Once you have loaded up Sims 4, you go to options, you go to game option, and then you go to other. So when you first launch this will be unticked like so. To make sure mods are showing in your game, both needs to be ticked. So you can't be one or the other, you need to have both ticked for it to work. Once that's done, you apply changes, go back, exit your game and restart. So that's how you install and enable mods for Sims 4.